Thank you for joining us for another Avian Adventure from the Raptor Center. During this episode, we will explore one of the most important jobs of feathers: camouflage. Feathers provide so many benefits to raptors and other birds. Feathers allow birds to fly. They also help birds stay dry in the rain. Some feathers even help attract a mate. Feathers also help raptors blend in with their surroundings, allowing them to disappear. How does camouflage work? You may have noticed that birds come in all different colors and shades, and the same is true for raptors. Sometimes raptors tend to look similar to one another, but each species has their own unique set of colors that help them blend in with where they live. Raptors live in many different types of habitats. You can usually guess what kind of habitat a raptor lives in just by looking at it. Their colors are designed to blend in with the colors of their surroundings. We asked some of our avian ambassadors to help us show how well they blend in with their specific environments. We have 3 different owls from 3 different habitats. Can you guess which one likes to live in the forests of North Carolina just by looking at it? Is it Dahlia, the barred owl? Estrella, the spectacled owl? Or Emma, the barn owl? Would it help if we put them in a North Carolina forest? If you guessed Dahlia the barred owl, you are correct. Barred owls like to live in forests, so their feathers are specifically designed to blend in with different types of tree bark. Spectacled owls live in the rainforests of South America. Their chocolate brown feathers blend in with the dark tree bark found in the rainforests. And barn owls are found in open grasslands and fields, and their feathers blend in perfectly with tall grasses. Why is camouflage so important? In order to look into this, we asked one of our bird experts to explain.
Camouflage is so important to many different types of animals. If you're a prey species, you need to be able to blend in with your surroundings so you don't get eaten by predators. Now, raptors are considered apex predators, which means they're at the very top of the food chain. So the only thing that raptors have to worry about is a bigger raptor. Now, it's also important for a raptor to have camouflage in order to protect their nest. Mammals will hunt raptor babies and eggs, so it's really important for the mom to have excellent camouflage so they can blend in and it's harder for the mammals to find their nests. Now, when you are a big raptor, you are also looking for your lunch, and you don't want your lunch to find you, so it's extra important when you're hunting to blend in with your surroundings and be able to sneak up on your next meal.
Some raptors even have next-level camouflage: counter shading. If an animal has counter shading, it simply means that they are darker on their backs and have lighter colors on their front. This works well for raptors because when prey is looking up, they see the light underside that blends in with the sky. If there is a bigger raptor flying higher in the sky, they will see the dark feathers on the back that blend in with the habitat below. So who has this super cool feature? Falcons are well known in the bird world for counter shading. Check out how different the coloration of the feathers are on our lanner falcon. His front is a beautiful light beige color, while his dark gray back would help him blend in with the colors of the cliffs that they live on. American kestrels, the laughing kookaburra, and barn owls are all great examples of counter shading in the bird world. But birds of prey aren't the only animals that have counter shading. Sharks, snakes, and deer all have counter shading as well in order to hide from predators or sneak up on their food. Counter shading works so well for animals that humans have designed some of their military planes to mimic that strategy. Did you know, when humans copy an animal adaptation, it is called biomimicry? Camouflage is so important for animals to survive. Unfortunately, many wildlife species are losing their homes, and with it, their ability to blend into their surroundings. One thing that you can do to help protect many different habitat types is by shopping locally. Local farmers preserve habitats that are essential to wildlife. Overseas, many ranchers and farmers are expanding their fields and encroaching on wild environments in order to supply meat to markets all over the world. By buying local meats, you are helping farmers in your own community and helping to prevent deforestation. Thank you for joining us for another Avian Adventure. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode.